In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Udemy. Whether you're looking to enhance your account security or simply updating your credentials, this straightforward process will help you manage your account settings with confidence. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to Udemy's website. Open up your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in udemy.com. Hit enter and you should be directed to Udemy's main homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your login details. Once you're logged in, navigate towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. It's typically represented as a small image or an avatar, depending on what you've chosen. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From these options, select Account Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Udemy account. Once you're in the account settings page, you'll see multiple options related to your account information. Here, focus on the section related to your security settings, specifically your password. Look for the option to edit or change your password, often labeled clearly for ease of access. When you find it, click on Edit next to the password section. This is where you'll be able to set your new password. Now, before proceeding, ensure you have chosen a strong password. Ideally, it should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize security. Upon setting your new password, you'll be required to enter it again for confirmation. This step helps ensure there's no mistake and that you have correctly typed your intended password. Once you've done that, confirm the change. After you confirm, Udemy will update your password, and as a security measure, you'll be automatically logged out from all devices. This means you'll need to log back into your devices with your new password, so make sure you've taken note of it or saved it securely. And there you have it. Your password change is complete. While this might seem like a simple task, it's an important step towards maintaining the safety and security of your online presence. Regularly updating your password helps protect your account from unauthorized access and keeps your personal information secure. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your Udemy account settings. Be sure to check back for more instructional videos like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Enjoy exploring and learning on Udemy with the peace of mind that your account is secure.